National Academy. Definition. An independently funded school or educational institution that is not run by the government. Example. She received her acceptance letter from the National Academy last week. Naval Academy. Definition. A military school that trains students to become naval officers. Example. Many students dream of joining the prestigious Naval Academy. Police Academy. Definition. A training school for people who wants to become police officers. Example. The police academy focus on both mental and physical preparation for law enforcement. Private academy. Definition. An independently funded school that charges tuitions and set its own rules and curriculum. Example. A private academy may offer more personalized instructions but at a higher cost. Service academy. Definition. A government-run military college that trains a student for a national defense services. Example. A service academy provides education in charge for future government service. Youth academy. Definition. An educational law sport training center, especially for young people. Example, the social club opened a new youth academy to train young athletics. Admission decision. Definition. The result of an application. Example, the admission decision will be released at the end of the month. Admission fee. Definition. The amount of money paid to enter a place or event. Example, they ask parents to pay the admissions fee before completing enrollment. Admission of defeat. Definition. Accept no acknowledging that you have lost. Example, the coach made an unexpected admission of defeat during the press conference. Admission of failure. Definition. Accepting that something you tried has not succeeded. Example, the admission of failure helps her grow stronger. Admission of guilt. Definition. Saying or agreeing that you did something wrong and illegal. Example, without an admission of guilt, the case might have been taken longer to resolve. Admission policy. Definition. Rules that determine who is allowed to enter a school or organization. Example, the university revised its admission policy to allow more international students. Admission procedure. Definition. A step requires to apply or be accepted into a school or program. Example, the admission procedure must be followed carefully to avoid delays. Admission requirement. Definition. The qualifications needed to be accepted. Example, the admission requirements includes both academic and extracurricular achievements. Admission standard. Definition. The level of quality or performance requires for exceptions. Example, the school maintains high admission standards to ensure quality education. Frank admission. Definition, a very honest acknowledgement or confession. Example, a frank admission can sometimes be resolved complete faster. General admission. Definition, entry that is open to everyone, usually with no assigned seating. Example, the general admission tickets are allowed access to all public areas. Hospital admission. Definition. The process of being officially accepted into a hospital for treatment. Example, the doctor has orders an emergency hospital admission for the injury patient. Open admission. Definition. A policy that allows anyone to be accepted with few or no requirements. Example, open admission policies allow anyone to enroll regardless of grades. Paid admission. Definition. Entry allowed only after a payment has been made. Example. Children under 5 are received free entry despite the paid admission rule. Regular admission. Definition. Standard entry rules or exceptions as opposed to special or early programs. Example. A student who miss regular admission may apply for late entry. Separate admission. Definition. Admission handled individually or through a different process. Example. International students require separate admission documents. Tacit admission. Definition. An indirect or unspoken acknowledgement of guilt or fact. Example. His silence was taken as a tacit admission of wrongdoing. Unnecessary admission. Definition. Confession or acknowledgement that was not needed or required. Example. The report contained an unnecessary admission that confused the readers. Voluntary admission. Definition. Choosing to enter a place or institution such as willingly checking into a hospital. Example. A voluntary admission helped resolve the issue without further conflict. In next tutorial, I will bring you English combined words with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.